Yes, Sajid. Sajid Ka. Yes, I just unmuted. You can speak up quickly. Not required, Kaushik Elgani, not required to learn this Python. There is no prerequisites, first of all. If you want to explore as an Power BI as a primary skill, there is no prerequisite. Not required, but basic SQL part is required. Python is language. I mean, like it's a different concept. Murthy, I just unmuted. You can tell. You can check Narendra. How about the openings? There are many openings out there. I just unmute you. You can speak up.
Hello, Rajendra.
Hi.
This is Murthy Velagra. Actually, I'm a Oracle developer. Yeah. So it is helpful for me for Power BI.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Yeah. Okay.
Hello, Murthy. Yes, it is.
Yeah. And also, I don't know how to install the Power BI. I'm just
share the link with you. It's very simple installation. Power BI desktop. It's a very simple installation where we can try to. It's a free software. I have shared the link and I have shown the process as well, so you can install it really quickly. Okay.
How many days will take the course?
Regarding this course, 30 days.
30 days.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you.
Entirely 1 hour.
Okay.
Ram Babu, just unmute. You can speak up. Yeah.
Yeah, my question is till what extent it supports, means in the sense of GB or server, how can use this for
this tool, I mean, like this data, I mean, as per the data set, it is going to support more than 4 GB, so you can extract the data sets.
Up to 4 GB I can extract the data.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. If I want to more GB, what should I do for that?
You have to split the data. That's it. You have to split it and you have to import. Yeah.
Okay, then means I can read generate the reports multiple times.
Multiple, and that means so you can club all the data sets. If you have more than 4 GB, I haven't find more than 4 GB data sets. If you have that kind of a data sets, means we have to split it and we can combine all the 4. When example, 4 DB genesis in the services cloud, that one also possible. Instead of that, we can try to connect as a live connections. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
And regarding this course, I'll just try to provide you the link. Please try to use it. Okay. This link where I'm providing in detail course content. Please make use of it. What I'm going to explain, what are the things that we're going to discuss. Please check and let me know. Any other? The project real time, what are the discussions and all? I'll just provide it in that link. Please try to check it.
Sure.
Yeah, thanks. Sajid Khan, I just unmuted. You can speak up. Yes, please. Hi. Your voice is very low. Can you please be louder?
Yeah, can you hear me now?
Yes. Yeah.
I have basically 6 years of experience in testing, and I'm planning to implement Power BI. What else I should learn apart from Power BI to showcase as like 3+ years of experience in market?
You just you have five years of experience in testing. Okay, fine. That means you want to change the domain from testing to the BI side, business intelligence. That's fine.
Yeah.
No issues, but as I said, this tool has been emerged into the market 6 years back. Okay, 6 years, but that is in 2015. So you can just try to get a good competency in this tool, and you can try to explore. So after observing this session, right, how do you feel? I mean, the components, what are the interactiveness and all? It's an easy to learn. Other than that, there is no programming, also very important, and there is no prerequisite. If you have some basic knowledge on SQL and Excel part, the same Excel part, if you want to derive our business logics and all, we can